Namaste. Before we go to sleep at night, it's always a great idea to do a couple of yoga stretches, simply because that definitely helps us get a much more restful sleep. As you can see, I'm on my bed because ideally you want to do the stretches and then go straight to sleep. What I'd like for us to do is start by lying down comfortably on our backs. I have a low pillow here, so you can either move your pillow out of the way if it is a little high. Keeping the knees bent, bringing the awareness to the breath. Just allowing the day fall away. Reconnecting with how the body feels. And then slowly lowering your knees towards the right and the left sides of the body. Bringing the soles of the feet together, so that we're lying in Supta Baddha Konasan, which is the reclined bound angle pose. Making the chin tucked in slightly in case you're extending the head. You can open your palms so that they face up. Bringing the awareness to the heart center. And then from here, gently lift your knees up. Moving into the eye of the needle. So bringing the right ankle on the left thigh. Bring the right hand between the legs. As you exhale, lift the left leg up and then just clasp your fingers around the shin. If you're not able to do that, feel free to put your hands behind the knee. And as you exhale, you can gently draw your knee closer to the chest. Again, just make sure that your head is angled so that you're comfortable, that you're not stretching the neck. Your eyes can be closed. By closing your eyes, you're cutting away any distractions and touching upon one of the 8 limbs of yoga called pratyahara, withdrawing the senses from the world. Suchirandrasan is good for any sciatica, plus it's a hip opening pose. And then from here, just lengthen your left leg, straightening it gently. Pull the leg close to your body, keeping the toes flexed. You can always relax your feet, that's absolutely fine too. But by flexing, you get a little bit more of an intense stretch going all the way up the length of your leg and your thigh. Always be gentle with these stretches. So if you do these same stretches in the morning when you first wake up, you'll find that the body is a little bit tighter as opposed to an evening practice. So now we bring the leg back down and then place the foot back down on your bed. And then just swapping, bringing the left ankle on the right knee, taking the left hand between your legs. Exhale as you lift the right leg up. Your left thigh might be a little bit more intense in terms of the stretch, and that's absolutely normal. Visualize that you're breathing into the stretch that you can feel and relaxing it. And then we're going to extend the right leg straight up to the ceiling. Keep the toe flexed, again depending on how much of a stretch you want. And then gently draw the leg close to your chest. Just observing where you feel the stretches. Release, lower your leg, and then give one more mini hug and release. Set the foot back down on the bed. And then stretching your arms out alongside the body. Draw your knees close to your chest and roll over to the right. So you can always hold the knee down, and then you can turn your head to the side. The reason I'm doing this on the bed is because it gives one an idea as to how soft the bed is compared to the yoga mat. It's a lot more comfortable, so definitely there's going to be a good sleep after this. And then just inhale, lift your knees back up. Okay, lowering them to the left side. And this is called jathara parivrtta, reclined twist. Roll your head to the right side. You don't have to roll the head off to the sides. You can always keep them straight up, looking at the ceiling. And I always recommend closing the eyes simply because it just makes the practice so much more deeper and richer. And visualize any tension releasing from the lower back. And then inhaling back up. Keeping your knees close to your chest. Just give yourself a little hug and think about all the good things that happened during the day. Take a deep breath in and out. And now you're ready to just stretch yourself out in savasan and lie down. Namaste.